This lesson focuses on converting fractions to decimals, like 3/4 converts to 75 hundredths. Well, how is that done? When we're given the easiest of examples, when the denominator is already in a type of decimal, either tenths or hundredths, we can just say this: 3/10, 3/10, 27 hundredths, 27 hundredths. But look, here's the easy ones, but look at all these other fractions where the denominators are not 10 or 100. What are we going to do then? Well, there's two basic types of problems here, and we need to ask a key question to see what type of problem we have. Here's our key question: will the denominator divide evenly into 10 or 100? Okay, let's think about this. Can 1/2, can the 2 divide, does that divide evenly into 10? 2 times 5 is 10. Now do the same thing up on top. 1/2 is equal to 5/10. Now, you say this to yourself, 5/10. Well, there's 5/10. 3/5. 5 times 2 is 10. Do the same thing on top. We get 6/10. Say it to yourself, 6/10. There's 6/10. Okay? Now, look at 4. Can 4 go into 10? No. Can 4 go into 100? Yes. Think of money like quarters. 4 times 25. Same thing on top. 75 over 100. Now, say that fraction to yourself. 75 hundredths. There it is. 7 over 20. Can 20 go into 10? No. 20 goes into 100. 5 times. Same thing on top. 35 over 100. Say it to yourself. 35 hundredths. Okay? Here's 8 over 25. 25 times 4 is 100. So we go 8 times 4 on top. 32 over 100. Say it to yourself. 32 hundredths. 17 over 50. How many half dollars go into a dollar? 2. 17 times 2. 34 hundredths. 0.34. Okay? Now, all of these denominators, we could multiply them by a number to get 10 or 100. The second situation is this. What if the denominator does not divide evenly into 10 or 100? Well, then we divide. And guess what? It's something we don't like to do. It's long division with decimals. Ooh, yuck. But it's what we have to do. Let's take 3/8. Can 8 go into 10? No. Can 8 go into 100 evenly? No. Okay? So what we have to do is we got to take the 8 from the bottom and put it outside, the 3 from the top and put it inside. Now, can this big number ever go into the small one? No. Decimal 0. 3, 24. 6, 0. 8 into 60, 7. 56, 4, 0. 8 into 40 goes 5. 3 over 8 is 375 thousandths. Not easy, but it can be done. 1/6. Can 6 go into 10? No. Can 6 go into 100? No. So we go 6 into 1. The big number cannot go into here, so we go decimal 0. 6 into 10 is 1. We get 6. Then we get 4. We're past the decimal. Add the 0. 6, 36, 4. And so let's round off to 0.16, and then if the 6 repeats, we'll have a bar over the 6. Okay, so if the denominator does not go evenly into 10 or 100, whoops, then we need to divide. So let's mix things up a little bit now, being that we're so fun. What do we do with all of these? Okay, 3/10. See what I did? I mixed up all of these. 3/10. When we say it to ourselves, 3/10. That's the easiest one. Now 4/5. Can 5 go into 10? Yes. 5 times 2, 4 times 2. Now that's 8/10. Say it. 8/10. There it is. 8/10. Now can 7 go into 10 or 100? No. So we have to go 7 into 3. The big number cannot go into the small number. Decimal, 0, 4, 28, 20, 2, 14. Close enough. If you want to round it to hundreds, you may go out one more. Let's go down to these next two. 1/3. Can 3 go into 10 or 100? No. So we have to divide. Big one into small one. Can 3 go into 1? No. Decimal, 0. 3, 9, 1, 0, 3, 9, on and on. Okay? We repeat the 3. Repeating decimal. 7 into 25. Can 25 go into 100? Yes. Times 4, times 4, 28 hundredths. Just like this. 28 over 100. You say it. 28 hundredths. 57 over, ooh, look at that. Hey, we already got hundredths there. We just have to say it. 57 hundredths. There it is. Tra-la. Okay. 7 over 8. Can 8 go into 10 or 100? No. So we take biggest into small. Big cannot go into small. Decimal, 0. And we go 8, 64, 6, 0, 7, 56, 4, 0, 5. 875 thousandths. Last two problems. Can 20 go into 100? Yes. Times 5 times 5. 13 times 5 is 65 over 100. 65 hundredths. 5/12. Can 12 go into 100? No. So bigger into smaller. Decimal, 0, 4, 48, 20, 12 into 21, good enough. 0.41, 41 hundredths. Your teacher may ask you to round those off. That was our lesson for today.